which will contain all the utility classes. So we will call this utility, and inside utility folder we will first create an extension class for the session storage extension. So we will call this session storage service extension. It will be a static class which will have these two static function. Now we will add another class here. We will create a class for custom auth provider. So we'll call this custom auth state provider and add this class, and it should inherit from authentication state provider. This will have these two private fields, and then we will add the constructor which will get the session storage service, and we are assigning this private property here. We will add a method for getting the authentication state of the user like this. So you can see that now the error is gone, and here we will add a method for updating the auth state of the user. So this is the one. Now we will add a function for getting the token, only the token. So this one we will call it get token. We will also add a method for which will return if the logged in user is admin or not, something like this, for getting the user details. So this is it. We will add another utility class for HTTP service. So we'll call this HTTP extension, and this will be static class. We will add this class. It will be static, and we are calling this set authorization. Now we will also create another extension class for other extensions. So we'll call this just extensions. This will also be static class. The first one will be for string, and the next one is for the date time, and this is it. You can see it will return the relative time, I mean like just now or 1 minute ago. This is there's a lot of condition here. We are starting from minutes, and then hours, then days, like 1 day, 1 week, and 1 month, or years.